As you know, some parts of this region suffered terrible collective trauma just a few decades ago. And you can still see the sadness and the problems. Other than that, parents here are facing the same stresses and difficulties. There's more violence amongst children. More children are being diagnosed with mental health problems. I think it's because global society creates a lot of stress for parents, and that makes it harder for them to be there for their children the way they want to be. And I think that's pretty universal everywhere I go.
Zgodnji razvoj otrok pa je že vrsto let v ospredju delovanja Fundacije Novaka Đokovića, ki jo je slavni srpski tenisač ustanovil skupaj s soprogo.
Moj utisak je da je ovo tema koja je itekako bliska ljudima, da oni traže rešenja jer pune sale širom našeg regiona to pokazuju. Prezadovoljna sam i činjenicom da su se ljudi uključili i postavljali pitanja i da su delili neke svoje možda intimne detalje želeći da dopru do nekih delova koji praktično zahtevaju isceljenje.